Hi guys, in this video we're replacing a gas fireplace blower fan. I just received my GFK 160 blower fan kit from Amazon and just making sure all the parts are there. These blower fans are a relatively cost-effective way of getting the most out of your fireplace and making your fireplace a great primary, secondary, or backup heat source. These kits are extremely easy to install and come pre-wired. This model includes a 160 CFM blower fan, variable speed control, magnetic heat sensor, and a 2 to 3 prong power adapter. Here's the example of the current noisy blower fan and the low amount of air that it is pushing. To remove the old blower fan, start with unplugging the power. If the blower is hardwired, you'll have to shut off the power at a wall switch or appropriate breaker. Remove the heat sensor from the underside of the fireplace. It will most likely be magnetic. Most fans are not secured in place and should be able to be removed at this point. They may have magnetic or rubber feet. Mine are fastened with screws, so they'll have to be removed before pulling the fans out. Closer inspection of the fans shows that the left one has some blade damage and the transformer has been worked on. I'm sure this blade damage is what caused the unpleasant noise. The first step for the new install is centering the blower at the back of the fireplace. Leave roughly 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch gap between the blower and the back of the fireplace. This is to reduce noise from vibration. Attach the heat sensor to the underside of the combustion area. It is magnetic, so no screws are needed. Next is securing the variable speed control. It has a sticky pad attached to the back which can be used to secure the control to the base of the service opening. My model has a slot for the switch which I'll be using, but check with your model as yours might have a knockout or a hole designed for the speed control. The knob on the speed control is removable. It can be very snug, so using a large flat blade screwdriver can help with the removal. Under the knob is a lock nut. I'll be using the lock nut and my own supplied washer to secure the control. The knob simply pushes back in place. The final step is connecting the power. I have a 3-pronged outlet, so I won't be needing the 3 to 2-pronged adapter. Make sure no wires are touching the underside of the combustion chamber, other than the orange igniter and thermal pile wires that pass through to the pilot assembly. To turn the blower off, completely turn the variable speed control counterclockwise until it clicks. To turn the blower back on, turn clockwise until it clicks again. This will be the lowest setting. The speed will continue to increase the further the control is turned clockwise. The fan may take several minutes to turn on after the fireplace is running. This is because the heat sensor must reach roughly 120 degrees Fahrenheit before the fan kicks in. The blower will also run for a few minutes once the flames are out as well to purge the remaining heat. I would definitely consider this project a DIY project, and in just an hour or so you can turn your gas fireplace into a usable heat source. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time.